Hello. Today I'll be making pasta with baked cherry tomatoes and capers, which I'm gonna bake them with the cherry tomatoes in the oven for 400 Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. And this is how I'm gonna do it. So place the cherry tomatoes facing up. And so now I'm gonna marinate everything. So I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil all around them. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar to caramelize them, like just a pinch of sugar. And I'm putting oregano. The dates, the capers, actually you can fry them, but I'm gonna bake them together with the tomatoes, with the cherry tomatoes, you know. So I'm preheating the oven at 400 Fahrenheit or 200 degrees, and these are gonna be baking for 40 to 45 minutes. So we're going to create that dry tomato, you know, look. Stay tuned. So the cherry tomatoes and the capers are baked and ready. And I'm going to make the sauce. Stay tuned. So now I'm getting the baked tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and I'm gonna put them in the blender, blending them well. So the rest of the tomatoes and the capers, I'm gonna put them all in a bowl, saving them for to garnish the final plate. Stay tuned. And this is the garnish that I'm saving for to put the plate together at the end. Stay tuned. So now I'm blending. So I'm putting some anchovies fillets in here. We're just gonna melt them. Salted the water. I'm gonna make the rigatoni. We have the anchovies already. I'm just gonna put the tomato sauce. So I'm putting the tomato sauce that I made. The sauce is almost ready. The sauce and the pasta is ready. We're just gonna add the garnish now. It smells delicious, and I hope you guys try it. I'm adding some lemon zest. So now we're garnishing with the capers and the baked cherry tomatoes. And at the end, I'm just gonna add some cottage cheese. Hope you try. Bon appetit. So the rigatoni pasta is ready, and the sauce with the baked cherry tomatoes and capers looks amazing and smells delicious, and I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit!